Hi there, I'm Tanya Krause and welcome to module number 2, which is building the cue. For this module, you'll need your horse, you'll need a halter and lead on your horse, and you'll need some kind of stick and string like I've got here, or a traditional lunging whip will be fine. It is best to have something that you can, that does have a bit of length in it, so you can reach your horse if you need to. So this module, as the name would imply, and if you've already read the training sheet, you'll know that this module is all about building the cue. And I really spend time on building the cue because I find it makes my life so much easier when the horse knows that when they hear a sound, a particular sound, that there's a particular action that I'm looking for. So it really helps to break down the language barrier, if you like, and open up the communication and understanding between the horse and the rider. So for me, I personally use the smooch as a canter cue, and I find that horses typically will respond quite well to the smooch, and I even take it as far as doing a double smooch for the flying lead change. So we're not going to be talking about flying lead changes in this course, but I've got Boogie here with me and I'm going to show you how I would build a cue. Now, I'm not going to show you how I'm going to warm up my horse. I would recommend doing this with a horse that is warmed up. So you have done a few circles on the line, they've walked out, they've trotted out both directions, and get them nice and comfortable on line. Don't warm them up so much that they're tired. Just go ahead and just get the muscles moving and make sure that they're quite happy to circle around you. Obviously, a prerequisite is also having a horse that does lunge around you. And again, I'm not going to cover that in this course, how to do that. It's sort of anticipated that if you're working on the canter, that you've already got a horse that will go around you in the lunge. So I'm going to just move a little bit further away from the camera so you can see properly. And I'm going to show you how I would build a canter cue in Boogie. So first I'm going to have her going around me in the trot like this, quite nicely. I don't want to rush her or scare her into the canter. And certainly when I'm only building a cue, I only need the horse to take the transition. That's a really vital part of understanding in this module. Please do not ask for the transition and then get canter, 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 circle, 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 circle. We're purely building the cue. You'll get your circles later. So I'm going to go ahead when I'm ready for Boogie to canter. I'm going to point higher. I'm going to ask for the canter. Now you saw there that she started to kind of trot faster. So I did come down in my body to indicate to her, yes, you are on the right track. I do want you to do something. Good, that was even better try. So I'm going to go ahead and relax again and let her calm down. And then one more time. Good. And that was really nice. So the vital things here that we need to remember. One, we're only teaching the cue, which is me kissing, lifting the energy in my body, and the horse going, yep, I know that means to canter. I don't care what happens after that. As long as the horse pops up into the canter, I could care less if it keeps going or if they fall out of it straight away. So number one, focus on the focus. We're only building the cue. Number two, if you put that cue in and your horse does something, anything, you must relax in your body and to show the horse, oh, I did something. Obviously, I'm on the right track because I gave her a response. If the horse does nothing at all, then you'll go ahead and you'll smooch again and ask for it to happen again. So, but it doesn't matter if it's not actually the canter. You've got to relax in your body. Now, you're not going to call them in until they canter, but your body's just going to go, oh, good try, and then let them settle and then ask again. Exactly like I did on the second circle round. I asked again. She did an even bigger try to get into the canter, and then I let her keep trotting around. I relaxed my body to say, yep, good try. You're on the right track. You're trying something. And then I smooched again, and on the third time around, she gave me that canter cue. So immediately, as soon as she gave me that canter, I gave her a vocal cue, good girl, and then I whistled to call her in. So all of my horses are aware that the whistle is to call in, so that's another cue. And it is really helpful when you're trying to train things online because the horse does want to come in and rest next to you. And so if you can whistle, she kind of knows, oh, I'm cantering, oh, I'm getting to go in. So she immediately gets to know the reward that she's done the right thing. So the last thing that I did, the last point I want to make here is I asked her in exactly the same place every time. That's going to work for some horses and it's not going to work for others. Others are going to anticipate and they're going to get even more panicked, especially if they're kind of worried about the canter. But for her, it just helped to give her that relaxation or release on the rest of the circle. And then I went ahead and asked her in the same place again. So she was kind of prepared and anticipating that the canter is going to happen on that bit of the circle. So I've allowed her to come in, I've allowed her to rest and understand that she's done the right thing. So I'm going to go ahead and ask her to go again. Now the first time we did this, I kind of chatted for a few trot circles, and I don't want to do that again. So I'm going to go ahead and ask her straight away in the same place again. So she popped into a nice little canter straight away there, and I rewarded her immediately. So I am going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to let her stand in here. I'm going to let her rest, and I'm going to let her lick and chew. And then I'm going to send her out again and I'm going to ask her to do it one more time on the left-hand side. Now, depending on how stressful this is for your horse, you might break it down even further and do one side until it's quite nice and solid and then do the other side until it's nice and solid. So you might spend a week or two purely building the left canter transition, and then you might go ahead and spend another week or two building the right canter transition. Boogie is quite happy. Boogie looks like she's understanding it quite well. She's trying hard. She's giving me a little bit of a cranky face when she goes into the transition, and you know, that's just something for me to note. I'm not going to address it or anything like that, but 3 times to the left, and I'm pretty happy with that response. I would be happy to quit the session there. I'm going to go ahead and do the right-hand side with her, purely for the sake of the video. And typically she does actually have a little bit of trouble to the right in a few different things. So we'll see what it's like for her in the canter. You can already see that she's snaking her head there and getting a little bit grumpy. She knows what it is I'm going to ask her to do. And good. So you can see that, and look at this face coming in. She doesn't like cantering to the right at all. And you could probably see there that she actually struck off on an incorrect lead. And then she fixed it in the front, but she didn't fix it in the hind. So there's a lick and chew. I really like to see that the horse is acknowledging what we're doing. You know, she's just kind of come in and gone, okay, I understand that that's what's required of me. So I'm going to go ahead and ask her to go out one more time. And I just want to see her give me this transition. And there. She gets a little bit grumpy. So she's really trying hard. She gave me that transition. She was cross-firing in the hind legs, which means she was on the wrong lead in the hind legs. But you could see her hesitation before she took the transition. She really thought about which lead she needed to have in front, and she just hasn't got the back end of her body sorted out yet. So during this course, we're going to do some things to really help her with that, and that's going to build over the coming weeks or months or however long it takes us to do these modules. What I'm really looking forward to is just really showing you guys that you can take as much time as it takes, and you can actually break it down even further, as I said earlier, into left and right to really support your horse and make this really easy for your horse. You want all your training sessions to be positive, and you want your horse to have a clear understanding and not get stressed about what it is that you're trying to achieve. I look forward to hearing how your horses have gone in Module 2, which is building the cue, and I will see you in Module 3.